On the matter of schools, what we are doing with schools, again, I think it's good to say that we are working very, very closely with schools, with the Ministry of Education, to keep monitoring, ad hoc testing, to see whether indeed we have a massive infection. Our experience so far, as far as schools are concerned, is that it is no. It is not, we have not so far seen any reason to worry, because don't forget that the teachers, you have heard that some teacher has got COVID, or some students have got COVID. It is a fact. But also, let's not forget that they are also part of the community and society. There are statistics that would bring themselves out that would show clearly a trend within schools. But since and if that happens, of course we will take containment measures, schools by schools. But I think in this particular case, what we have learned, the lessons that we have learned over the last 6 months or so of managing this situation, is that we are now able to make surgical decisions and to make surgical containment measures, so that instead of closing the entire school fraternity, you close a school that is particularly infected. Instead of closing all Italy's, you close the ones that are not following the rules, so that we can still be able to salvage our economy even as we go along.